Okay, here's Matt, and he will explain you what the process we supposed to get before we will pull out the permit. Let's go.
Hello everyone, I am permit technician, and now I will follow you up through the process of getting the permit, and I will explain why it's important. So the permit is necessarily needed to make sure that the installation is up to code and it comply with mechanical code, electrical code, and energy efficiency code, Title 24.
Also building and plumbing code. It's supposed to be everything should be fit in our installation.
Yes, and every city has its own requirements and it varies from the city. And if the installation doesn't match the city requirement and state requirements, it might be
Won't pass inspection.
yeah.
So before the start any process and before the customer will agree with our price and everything, we supposed to let customer know what the permit is not free. So for the permit, city usually charge us kind of the permit fee about starting $100 to the infinity price. The usually price for the standard installation kind of furnace replacement and AC replacement, we usually pay about $500-600 in San Jose City. And additionally, in this price we supposed to include the Hurst Test, which is all the time required by the inspector prior we will get scheduled inspection with the city after we've done the installation. Let's get into the process more detail. So the first thing, after the customer approved the estimate which we provided by the sales manager, the sales team will send us a permit request to our department of the inspections and permits. The next thing, the FUSE department of the permit and inspections will submit the application to the city with all supporting paperwork and fee which applicable by the city. So we supposed to provide the 6 documents which you see right now on your screen, just right here on the matte face. You got it? So the 6 paperwork you're supposed to provide. After that, the city planning department will review all materials for mechanical, electrical, zoning and everything to match all what we are going to do. That means we're supposed to get and provide all clearances. We're supposed to provide the noise level of the equipment. Then we're supposed to provide all electrical wiring and everything, breakers, whatever need for take care inspector, what he will check so on the inspection. So we're supposed to let them know what we are going to do. Each every detail we're supposed to show on the plan like this you see right now on the screen.
So the city reviews our application and all supporting paperwork and they make a decision. Either they approve it or not. If they need some additional details, I just send them new plan or specification of the unit or whatever they required from us. So if the permit was issued by the city, we go to the next stage, is installation by FUSE. Our technician will come and install the equipment according to estimate.
According by estimate and our plan which we sent and approved by the city. Sometimes we can do installation first and then we can pull the permit, but this scenario usually doesn't work with the building code because all the time prior installation we're supposed to pull the permit. Sometimes when the hot summer or very cold winter period, the customer usually cannot wait because pulling the permit process can take about 2-3 weeks. So customers won't be able to wait because they are freezing or they are dying by the heat wave. So sometimes we can get the permit after installation because we are sure what we are 100% we've done the right way installation.
And we do it when it's clear that we will receive this permit. When we are sure that city will approve us. So after we install the equipment, customer pay 90% of invoice.
Usually we asking the customer after we've done the installation to pay from 80% to like 100% of the invoice of the like original estimate. But sometimes it's just a worry because just by the conditions of the equipment cost, by the everything. But you have to know by the contractor law, you shouldn't pay forward to the contractor more than $1,000 and more than 10% of the original estimate. It's a contractor's law.
After equipment is installed and work properly, we assign the Hurst Tester for your job. Hurst Tester is a subcontractor who is certificate to perform the energy efficiency test in your duct system. So basically he will call you and schedule an appointment to put the pressure to your duct system and check that there is no leak in the duct. This step we can't miss because it's something that city inspector wants to see during inspection, and if inspector doesn't see the Hurst test, the inspection won't be passed. So it's necessarily step that we have to do.
So the idea is the Hurst test. It's actually the home energy rating system. It's like HERS, and if we do the new ductwork installation, we're supposed to do maximum 5% of the leakage. If we've done only like a AC installation or like a furnace replacement, we supposed to provide with all ductwork at least 15% of the leakage of existing ductwork. If Hurst test guy specialist, he will find what the leakage more than 5 or like 15% depend on the installation. He will ask customer to comply this requirement by the city, like a 5% or 15%. If we've done, for example, partial replacement of the ductwork, we anyway supposed to provide 15%, because if we just done the like a partially ductwork replacement, that means we still can provide 15% maximum leakage. So that means if our installation will be more than 15%, we supposed to find out where the leakage is and offer to you new estimate for the fix this leakage. If we do the whole ductwork replacement and if we didn't pass the inspection, we will take care about for the passing Hurst test by our expenses, because it's on us if we done the whole ductwork replacement.
So after we pass the Hurst test, we can schedule an inspection. I will give you a call and we'll find a good day for the city and for you. And we never know what time inspector will come, so we can schedule only the day. In an inspection day, I will come to you to bring all the paperwork and to check the installation if it matched the code.
When Matt will come to your house for meet with inspector from the city, he might check the whole installation before inspector will check around everything himself. So if he will find out something wrong, he will might be fix in the place. But sometimes we won't be able to fix something in the place. So that means we won't be able to pass inspection. But the thing is, idea is, if we will not pass inspection in the first time when inspector come in first visit, that means by the contractor law we're supposed to do refixing or redone some of the thing which inspector mentioned on this installation by our expenses. Usually we are passing inspections in 90% in the first time, but all we are humans, so everybody made mistakes, so who knows what will be going on your job site, but hopefully you will be in the 90%.
So after we pass the inspection, we will receive the notice from the city that permit is closed. Congratulations,
you passed. So that means we will ask you to do the rest of the payment by sending the final invoice if you didn't pay before 100% after we've done the installation. So after that you will get the whole complete invoice with pictures of the installations and details, and after that you will get the full covered 10 years warranty, and depend on the installation 2 years or 3 years warranty for the labor, depend on installation. 2 years warranty we can provide if we will install just a furnace or like a furnace replacement. If we will do full replacement with air conditioning and the furnace, we will provide 3 years warranty for the labor and 10 years warranty provided by manufacturer. After we've done all these steps, you passed. Everything is good. We've done our job, so
enjoy your HVAC.
Enjoy your new HVAC. See you in the next video. Bye.